The Galaxy Watch 6 is Samsung's latest smartwatch, and it comes with a number of new features and improvements over the previous generation. Here are some of the main features of the Galaxy Watch 6. Slimmer bezels and bigger displays. The Galaxy Watch 6 has slimmer bezels than its predecessor, which allows for larger displays. The 40mm version has a 1.3-inch display, while the 44mm version has a 1.5-inch display. Brighter displays. The Galaxy Watch 6's displays are also brighter than the previous generation, making them easier to see in direct sunlight. Longer battery life. The Galaxy Watch 6 has a longer battery life than the previous generation, thanks to a more efficient processor and larger battery. Samsung claims that the Galaxy Watch 6 can last up to 40 hours on a single charge. Faster internals. The Galaxy Watch 6 is powered by a new Exynos W930 chip, which is faster than the processor in the previous generation. This makes the Galaxy Watch 6 more responsive and faster to load apps. Wear OS 4 and One UI Watch 5. The Galaxy Watch 6 runs on Wear OS 4, which is a version of Google's Wear OS operating system. It also comes with Samsung's One UI Watch 5 skin, which adds a number of new features and improvements. Health tracking. The Galaxy Watch 6 has a number of health tracking features, including heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and SpO2 monitoring. It also has new features for tracking irregular heart rhythms and blood pressure. GPS and LTE connectivity. The Galaxy Watch 6 has GPS and LTE connectivity, so you can use it to track your workouts without your phone. Water resistance. The Galaxy Watch 6 is water resistant up to 50 meters, so you can wear it in the shower or pool. These are just some of the main features of the Galaxy Watch 6. If you're looking for a new smartwatch with a number of advanced features, the Galaxy Watch 6 is a great option. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.